Hey everybody, Leah here from Printify. Product presentation matters. That's why Printify has partnered with Placeit, an online mockup library that offers a huge range of stylish mockups for a huge range of products. Show off your products in a way that fits your brand and generate even more sales. Let me show you how. Make sure you've already created a product in Printify and have published it to your store using one of the Printify mockups. Click on the product to edit the listing and choose Find More Mockups on Placeit. Create an account to use the free mockup options or choose a paid subscription to access all the available mockups. Choose a mockup that best suits your brand. To make sure that your custom mockups accurately represent your products, you'll need to note the hex color code of the product variant in the Printify mockup generator. In the upper right corner, click on Prices and Variants and hover over a color to see the hex code. Now create your Placeit mockup using the same color code. Once you're happy with your mockup, go ahead and download it. Now upload it to the product listing in your sales channel. If you ever need to update details and republish the product on the Printify platform, use the selective publishing feature. In the product listing, scroll down to Store Details. Uncheck the Mockups box so that your images aren't reverted back to the standard images. A final tip, choose mockups that closest resemble your Printify products to make sure your customer will receive the same item as in the mockup. Want even more ideas on how to make your brand stick out? Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.